closed the Safari tab by accident and can't find it again? Here's how to bring it back in seconds. Open Safari, tap the Tabs button in the bottom corner. Now here's the trick. Press and hold the plus button. Don't just tap it, press and hold. This will open a list of your recently closed tabs. From here, you can tap any tab to reopen it instantly. This works for multiple tabs as well, not just the last one you closed. So if you accidentally close something important, you don't need to search for it again. If you're using multiple tab groups, make sure you're in the right group before opening the list. Otherwise, you might not see the tab you're looking for. This is one of the most useful Safari shortcuts, and most people don't even know it exists. That's it. Follow for more quick tips.